Time, unlike any other resource, is finite and irreplaceable. Effective time management is not about cramming more tasks into our schedules. It's about aligning our actions with our priorities, accomplishing what truly matters. By mastering time, we gain control over our lives, reducing stress and unlocking our full potential. Think of time as a sculptor's clay. We are the artists of our lives, molding this clay into something meaningful. Each decision, each action shapes the masterpiece of our lives. Time management becomes an art form, a continuous process of refining our approach to create a life of purpose and fulfillment. Prioritization is the linchpin of effective time management. It's about discerning the vital few tasks from the trivial many, focusing our energy on activities that yield the highest return on our time investment. One powerful method for prioritizing tasks is the Eisenhower matrix, also known as the urgent important matrix. This simple tool helps us categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance. The matrix consists of 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent important, and neither urgent nor important. Urgent and important tasks demand immediate attention, like deadlines or crises. Important but not urgent tasks contribute to our long-term goals and values, like planning, relationship building, and skill development. These are the tasks we should strive to prioritize. Urgent but not important tasks are often distractions that pull us away from our true priorities. Neither urgent nor important tasks are time wasters that should be minimized or eliminated. By categorizing our tasks using this matrix, we gain clarity on where to focus our time and energy. Start by identifying your big rocks, the tasks aligned with your long-term goals. Schedule these first, treating them as non-negotiable appointments. In today's digital age, a plethora of tools and apps promise to enhance our productivity and streamline our workflow. These tools can be powerful allies in our time management journey, but only if used effectively. The key lies in choosing tools that complement your work style and address your specific needs. Calendar applications are indispensable for scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and blocking time for focused work. Project management tools can help break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps, track progress, and collaborate with others. Note-taking apps allow us to capture ideas, create to-do lists, and organize information on the go. Time-tracking apps provide insights into how we spend our time, highlighting areas for improvement. However, it's crucial to remember that tools are only as effective as the person using them. Falling into the trap of over-relying on tools or constantly experimenting with new ones can be counterproductive. The goal is to find a system that works for you and stick with it. Start by identifying your biggest time management challenges. Then, explore tools that specifically address those areas. In our pursuit of productivity, it's easy to fall into the trap of overwork, neglecting our personal lives in the process. However, sustainable productivity is not about working longer hours. It's about creating a harmonious balance between our professional and personal lives. Achieving this balance is crucial for our well-being, preventing burnout and fostering long-term fulfillment. One effective strategy for achieving work-life harmony is setting clear boundaries between our professional and personal time. This might involve establishing specific work hours, creating a dedicated workspace, or limiting distractions during personal time. It's also essential to prioritize self-care activities that nourish our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Another key aspect of work-life balance is learning to disconnect from work. By prioritizing our well-being and setting healthy boundaries, we create a foundation for sustained productivity and a more fulfilling life. The power of scheduled breaks: refresh, recharge, return. In our quest for maximum productivity, we often push ourselves to work for extended periods without pausing. However, research has shown that taking regular breaks can significantly enhance our focus, creativity, and overall productivity. Scheduled breaks are not a luxury, they are a necessity for maintaining our energy levels and producing our best work. Our brains, like any other muscle, require rest and recovery to function optimally. When we work for prolonged periods without breaks, our focus wanes, our minds become fatigued, and our productivity plummets. Breaks, even short ones, allow our minds to rest and recharge, improving our cognitive function and enhancing our ability to concentrate. During breaks, it's essential to step away from our workspaces and engage in activities that help us relax and rejuvenate. By incorporating regular breaks into our work schedules, we can maintain our focus, boost our creativity, and produce higher quality work. Delegation, the art of multiplying time. One of the most valuable skills in time management is the art of delegation. Delegation is not about simply offloading tasks, it's about strategically assigning responsibilities to others, leveraging their skills and expertise to achieve greater efficiency and free up our time for higher-level tasks. Effective delegation involves identifying tasks that can be handled by others, selecting the right person for the job, clearly communicating expectations, providing necessary resources and support, and trusting individuals to complete the task effectively. When done well, delegation benefits both parties involved. For the delegator, it frees up time to focus on more strategic initiatives, while for the delegate, it provides opportunities for growth, learning, and increased responsibility. To overcome the fear of delegation, start by identifying tasks that are not the best use of your time or expertise. Remember, effective delegation is not about relinquishing control, it's about empowering others and multiplying your time to achieve greater results. Saying no, protecting your most valuable asset. In our quest to please others and avoid missed opportunities, we often find ourselves saying yes to requests that drain our time and energy, pulling us away from our priorities. Learning to say no politely but firmly is essential for protecting our most valuable asset, our time. Saying no is not about being selfish or uncooperative, it's about setting healthy boundaries and prioritizing our commitments. When we say yes to everything, we spread ourselves too thin, compromising the quality of our work and our well-being. By learning to decline requests that don't align with our goals or values, we create space for activities that truly matter. One effective technique for saying no is to express gratitude for the opportunity, briefly explain why you're unable to commit, and offer an alternative solution if possible. As you become more comfortable setting boundaries, you'll find yourself saying yes to opportunities that truly excite you and aligning your actions with your priorities. Mindfulness and focus. Staying present in the moment. In our fast-paced, hyper-connected world, distractions are ever present, constantly vying for our attention. Multitasking, once hailed as a productivity booster, has proven to be a myth, fragmenting our focus and diminishing the quality of our work. To truly master time management, we must cultivate mindfulness and focus, training our minds to stay present in the moment and resist the allure of distractions. Mindfulness, the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment, can be a powerful tool for enhancing focus and reducing stress. By bringing our awareness to our breath, our body, and our surroundings, we can calm our minds, quiet the incessant chatter, and improve our ability to concentrate. Even a few minutes of mindfulness meditation each day can make a significant difference in our ability to stay focused and present. In addition to mindfulness, creating a distraction-free environment is crucial for maintaining focus. By cultivating mindfulness and creating a distraction-free environment, we can unlock our full potential and achieve greater productivity. Overcoming procrastination, breaking the cycle. Procrastination, the arch nemesis of productivity, is a common struggle that can derail even the most well-intentioned plans. We often procrastinate on tasks that seem overwhelming, unpleasant, or unimportant, opting for immediate gratification over long-term rewards. Breaking the cycle of procrastination requires understanding its root causes and implementing strategies to overcome them. One effective technique for combating procrastination is the Pomodoro technique. This method involves setting a timer for 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 20 minutes. This structured approach helps break down tasks into manageable intervals, making them seem less daunting and more achievable. Remember, overcoming procrastination is a journey, not a destination. Embracing flexibility, adapting to the unexpected. While careful planning and prioritization are essential for effective time management, it's equally important to embrace flexibility and adapt to the unexpected. Life is unpredictable, and unforeseen circumstances can throw even the most well-crafted schedules off course. Rather than becoming overwhelmed by these disruptions, we must learn to adjust our plans and maintain our productivity amidst changing priorities. One effective strategy for embracing flexibility is to build buffer time into our schedules. This involves allocating extra time for tasks, anticipating potential delays, and leaving room for unexpected interruptions. Buffer time provides a cushion, allowing us to accommodate unforeseen circumstances without derailing our entire day. By building buffer time into our schedules and practicing adaptability, we can navigate the unexpected with grace, maintaining our productivity and achieving our objectives despite life's inevitable curveballs. Your journey to time mastery, a continuous pursuit. Mastering time management is not a destination, it's a continuous journey of self-discovery, experimentation, and refinement. As our lives evolve, so too must our time management strategies. What works for us today may not be as effective tomorrow, requiring us to adapt, adjust, and continuously seek ways to optimize our time and maximize our productivity. The key to unlocking our full potential lies in embracing the principles of effective time management, experimenting with different techniques, and discovering what works best for us. It's about being intentional with our time, prioritizing our actions, and aligning our daily activities with our long-term goals. By mastering the art of time management, we gain control over our lives, reduce stress, and unlock our full potential, creating a life of purpose, fulfillment, and lasting impact. Share one tip or hack you've discovered for managing your time effectively that others might find helpful. Subscribe to our channel DNC Rain Music for more. Check out our Relax Mode playlist for more how-to-guide videos. Until next time, keep listening to the rhythm of the raindrops and find peace within.